Hey everybody, it's me, Chris, here at the Nickel 9 Cocktail Bar. Welcome. And today I'm going to show you how I like to drink Northern Temple. Northern Temple is my first product. Got a soft spot in my heart, and I like to drink it. So, nice and full of ice. Get the shaker tin here. Ready? Oh, Zach Prohaskis. That's it. And we put that over there. Then take the Northern Temple. And we do about a 3-ounce pour. There we go. Then I take the Cedar cherry bark bitters. This is one of the first ones we put out. Still my favorite of the collection. Just can't get enough. So I like to put in a nice, a couple full drops of the Cedar cherry bark. Then we're gonna give that a little stir. Very nice. And then, sometimes as a garnish, I like to put just another ounce of Northern Temple on top. And there you have it. That's Northern Temple Vodka, my way.